And welcome back to the Macroholics YouTube channel.
Today we're going to be recreating one of our favorite food bloggers. His name is Mason Woodruff. Y'all check him out. He has amazing macro-friendly recipes. His website is just masonfit.com. So we're recreating a no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. Since today is October 1st, you know, we had to celebrate with something pumpkin flavored. So we have this recipe right here on the laptop, so we're just gonna be referencing that. So let's just go ahead and get started.
So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now.
First thing we're going to need is 2 scoops of some PE Science vanilla protein powder. You can use whatever protein you want. He puts this on his recipe. This brand is a whey and casein blend, so it's a little bit different. So if you use regular protein, he says it right there on his blog, you might have to put more if you're just using whey. So 2 scoops of this, 62 grams.
There we go.
So, and then it calls for pumpkin pie spice. I don't have that, so we're just gonna put cinnamon, a good amount.
More?
Like, way more than that. Okay. All right, that was 2 grams. And next is Swerve. This is something pretty unique. It is a sugar substitute, so it's kind of like Splenda. It's 0 calories per serving. So there is technically calories in this. I'm gonna log it. There's carbs in it, so there's calories. So whenever we're putting this into MyFitnessPal, you're going to log it as the nutrition facts states with 4 grams of carbs per 4 grams of sugar substitute. So we need 36 grams of that.
Alright.
So if you could use like Splenda or something like that, but Splenda is a lot lighter. It says it on here that it's like a 1-to-1 ratio to sugar. I'm not sure where it says it, but Splenda is not, unless you get the granulated one. So you could use monk fruit. That's another one that's also granulated, but this is what the recipe called for, so that's what we got. So we're just going to whisk this together. All of our dry. And then we're going to put the pumpkin and the cream cheese. So we need this whole can of pumpkin. You want to use this?
Yep.
So pumpkin's going in, we're using the whole can. So a 15-ounce can. And then 1 8-ounce block of the 1/3 less fat cream cheese. If you can find fat-free cream cheese, that's even better, but we couldn't find it at our store, so he says on the website that it's perfectly fine to use the 1/3 fat. And this needs to be at room temp or softened. And then if you have a like a stand mixer or a hand mixer, that'll work a lot better, but ours just broke, so we're going old fashioned with a whisk. We might need Josh to take over on the whisking. We're gonna keep whisking that until it's really, really smooth and there's no more like lumps of cream cheese or anything. Okay, so next up, after we've got it all nice and combined, it looks really good, nice and smooth, we're going to fold in 72 grams of fat-free, well actually this is the light Cool Whip, but you could use fat-free, and they also have a sugar-free one, but the sugar-free one and the light one had the same amount of calories, so I was like, I'm gonna go for the not sugar-free one. So we're going to 72 grams. Yes.
It's quite a fit.
So we're gonna fold it in, try not to destroy your whipped cream. That's what folding means.
And while she does that, I will get the pie crust ready.
So this is just a regular pie crust. It's not a low fat one or anything, because we looked at our options at the grocery store and the low fat one was like just as many calories, so we just went for the real deal.
Yeah, the low fat one was the same amount of calories exactly. It's still 100 per serving, but it had more carbs.
Which is, I mean, it makes sense if it has less fat. They gotta fill it with something, so they used carbs. Okay, so now we're going to put it into our pie crust here, and we're going to smooth out the top. And this needs to chill in your refrigerator for at least 4 hours before you dig into it, for it to really set up and get nice and pie-like.
Every last drop.
All right guys, so like I said, it has to go into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. He says on his website, the longer that it can sit in the refrigerator, the better. So we're going to pop this guy in the refrigerator and then we will enjoy it in a couple of hours. But thanks for tuning in. I hope that y'all try it out. Once again, this recipe is from Mason Woodruff from masonfit.com. Y'all check him out. He really has some awesome recipes from breakfast to lunch to dinner to dessert. So really cool guy. Make sure y'all check him out and we will see y'all later.
Bye.